Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to disable the key on your car, which means if you know you only have one key for your Mercedes and somehow before you bought the car, somebody put a new key on it and then they lost it. If you lost the key and you don't want them to find the key and start your car, what you're gonna do is disable those keys from your car, which is the EIS right here, and then they won't be able to use it. All right, let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna use is, of course, our Autel IM508, and then this we're gonna be needing the GBox2 right here. It's connected, and the XP400 Pro, and we need the EIS for this car. This one is gonna be the W207. All right, let's go to emo. Then let's go accept these terms. Let's go to Mercedes Benz. Then let's go to manual selection. This car is 2009 C350. Go to C class, 2008 to 2014. Press yes. All right. So right now, let's go to control unit. First, let's go ahead and check the key. We need to find out what key position is this one. So let's go to IR, read key information. Let's put it here. All right, please insert the key in the IR key, which is the XP400 Pro. Just press OK. There you go. This one is the key number 2, as you can see. Key number 2. So we're gonna leave these. We're gonna remove everything except for the key number 2. All right, let's escape. And then let's go escape. Keep going. And let's go to EIS tools. And what we're gonna do is go to disable key right here. Disable key. So we're gonna be using the GBox on Benz GBox. So W207. Well, before that, let me show you. Let me escape this real quick. Let's go check the wiring diagram. Wiring diagram, W207 right here. Wiring diagram is almost the same as we always do. Black here, ground, power, 12 volt. We have yellow and green. So we have it connected to the EIS right here. Ground, 12 volt, yellow and green. All right, let's go escape that one. Let's go escape again. And let's go back to W207. So now it's communicating. All right, so you can see right here. Let's go focus a little bit. Well, we found out a while ago we have the key number 2, which is this key that we have. So as you can see, it's used. That's what it's using right now. Key number 1 is used. 3 is not used. Not used. 4, 5, 6 are not used. So 8, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 7, 8 are used on this one. So what we're gonna do is, we know we only have the number 2 key, so we're gonna leave that. So we're gonna disable the 1, 7, and 8. So let's go ahead and click 1, 7, and 8. And then let's go press OK. After the disable key function is performed, the key track possibly cannot be enabled again with this device. The key track. Do you want to disable the key? All right, let's go disable it. Yes. All right, those are deactivated. Those keys are deactivated. So There's no other keys that can start your car right now, so press OK. Let's go ahead and check it again on Benz GBox W207. Let's read it one more time. 1 use, 2 use, 3. See that? This is disabled. This is disabled. That's disabled. So they are disabled right now, as you can see. So right now, we cannot add any key on those. So what happened is it did not really delete the key file on a key fob right away. It just not be able to use it there. So we can enable it too if you want to, but right now all we need is number 2 key. Alright, so right now let's go escape. That's how you disable it. Press yes. And this key should be able to still be working. So let me go back. And you can actually enable them back if you find your key again. Let's go ahead and enable them if you want. You can enable them one more time. You can generate key file, stuff like that. But this one, let's go check if this one is working. This one is still working for the car. Let's go to key. Oh no, let's go to EIS tool. Go back. EIS tool. And test key on Benz GBox. It's okay. Test working key. There you go. We gotta make sure this one still works. Press OK. Insert the key in the IR keyhole. We already have it. Press yes. And then alright. Establishing. There you go. Let's remove this one. Insert it 3 times and remove it. 1, 2, 3. Then press yes. Alright, move back to XP400 Pro. Press yes. Reading. There you go. This key is a working key. So this one is working key for that one. So that's it, guys. So that's how we disable it. So this is the only key that will work for this car only. So we don't have any problem. When you lose the key, that's the one way to nobody else will be able to use or start your car other than you, and only the key that you have in possession. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just go ahead and message me here, and I'll be able to help you whenever I can. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Till next video.